So life just took an unexpected turn on me. I was selling the passenger side fender on Facebook Marketplace, and this dude just hit me up, asked me about the hood. I was like, yeah, I can sell the hood, but it's all busted, it's all messed up. He said, nah, bro, I don't care. My hood flipped up on me on the freeway yesterday, so I need a hood right now. And yeah, I gave him the address. Turned out he's in the neighborhood, so we had a deal. I sold the hood for 80 bucks, and now I just have to install the new M3 hood before the sun sets. Damn, I always work on the car before sun sets. Let's get it. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's pretty light. I'm 80% sure that I can install it by myself. I pretty much just unpacked everything. I left the corner protection cardboard on it just so that, you know, if, God forbid, if I accidentally drop it later on, it won't get damaged. And I also left the protection film on it, but I did cut the hole over here and over there so that later on when I hook this up onto the hinge, it won't give me too much of an issue. So due to this very clever design from BMW, I just need to thread in the nut a little bit on both sides, and the hinge has a fork. I just need to hook that up onto the fork, and then I can pretty much finish the shop just by myself. Hopefully. Oh, this sounds like a bad idea. Oh God. Oh God. Darn it. What the fuck? No. No. Yes. Okay, you stay right there. Ah. I should have moved those out of the way. Okay. I did not think this through. Oh my God. I did not think this through. Nope. That's bad. Well, at least I can let it rest. Jesus. Okay, well, good news is it sits. Okay, well, good news is it sits. Bad news is I forgot to bring the tool with me, so I'll have to close it. Okay, whatever that is, I don't like it. Let me make sure that nothing's gonna get crushed. Oh God. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I think I just moved it. Oh my God. Okay, no. Fixed it. Stay. my camera just died halfway through, but thankfully I was using my phone to record at the same time. So cut to the P roll. P stands for phone. So yeah, apparently it is a one-person job. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.